Good morning guys, it's Saturday, so that means it's time for another drive. So we're out here on the tracks and we've got a good day planned, so stick around, see what we get up to. Let's go. We're following this track along and it came to a dead end. We were supposed to be following a fence line along, but I don't know what happened there. We sort of got diverted off to the side. Anyway, we're going to backtrack, not far, and get onto another track, which I know takes me to where I want to go. So we're just trying to turn around here. It's a bit tight, but I think we're all good.
Thank you, good. Just in the car with Darren, enjoying the day out.
It's good, yeah. Beautiful day.
Just got a call for the RFS. There's a fucking fire
Oh really, a fire?
right at the end of this road here.
Oh shit.
It's only a grass fire.
Oh okay, we'll be alright.
Yeah. But,
Well that's
that's a bit weird having a bloody...
a bit weird. There's a fire sort of up beside us, but Dale says it's okay.
It's only a grass fire.
Only a grass fire.
Just
We'll
got
keep an
called
eye
in.
on that.
Keep going. Yeah,
We're just waiting for everyone to come up this switchback here behind us. It's pretty steep.
so we're all up.
What was that? We're all up?
We all up? All up.
Okay, right, we're ready to go. We've just stopped on the track to have a bit of lunch. Just down in this little valley, just out of the breeze. It's just a little cool, but beautiful day. And we're going really well actually, making good progress. So we're going to finish having a bite to eat, keep going, got a few more steep little tracks. Yeah, just a muddy little section there. We've just dropped down from the top. trying to get back out onto another road. Just stopped down here on this track. We're down here in this dry creek bed. Actually, it's really nice. I'm just waiting for all the guys to catch up because they're a bit spread out and it was pretty steep back there, so we were spaced out a little bit. God, I haven't been out here for years. Vaguely remember it, but yeah, what a lovely spot. I'll turn the camera around, have a look. I think they're slowly catching up, so I'll start moving. We had a bit of a change of plans. We were nearly out on that track and then the bridge was out, so we had to turn around and sort of take a long detour to get out, but we did that, that's okay. But in the process, I got a flat tyre on the front passenger side, so that's leaking a bit of air. I'm going to put a couple of plugs in that when we air up, when I get down here to the tar, so that'll get me home. But overall, look, it's been a good day. Thank you for watching. If you like following along on our adventures, please think about subscribing. We'd love to have you along. And we'll see you next time out in the bush somewhere. Bye.